I'm extremely lazy by nature. For me, it's very difficult to wake up in the morning, to go to the gym, to start my day work, to manage my time right, so I can execute the tasks and deliver what I need to do every day. I developed the best strategy which works for me to go out to the gym to make millions in my business. So stay till the end of this video to not miss the opportunity to take back control of your life. There's been a time when I was struggling completely. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to wake up. I wanted to sleep till the midday. Then I was hanging around half a day doing nothing. At one point I decided to structure everything and put everything in place. So what I did, I planned everything ahead on the next 3 years. I will suggest for you to plan at least 1 year ahead. Basically, you put main goals on the year, then you split on 3 months basis, and then you split on each month all the tasks. You need to write whatever you want to achieve within this year and then break down for the smaller tasks. On every Sunday I plan every day. I put the tasks on every day, and then when I wake up on Monday I don't need to think what I need to do next. I just open my diary and I just execute. The second thing, you need to break down your day on the parts. For example, I have to wake up at 8 a.m. Straight away I go to the gym for 1 hour. I'm coming back and I have a breakfast, then I go out for a walk to have some coffee. I give morning for my health, because remember, the 4 quadrants of your life, it's your health, it's your relationship and family, third one, it's your business, and the fourth one, it's your friends, travel, entertainment. So you need to break down every day and every week on these segments. My work will go from 11 till 5 with 1 hour break. Within these time segments, I do not distract myself or anything else. I do not respond on any emails, I do not pick up the phone for the work or stuff. And the key point here, do not distract yourself. You go out on the office or you close yourself in the room and you sit there and you work. And because all the tasks are already written, you don't waste time to think, you just focus and you work. Then after 5, I have 3 hours for my family till 8. After 8, I have a time to go out to meet friends, to do some networking, to have some drinks, to have some dinners, whatever it is. In your life, you will have different moments when you will need to put much more effort on some of your quadrants. For example, if it's your health, then you need to put more time for the health segment. If it's your work, you can put more hours to execute the work and put some other quadrants of your life on the side, but then you need to understand that this quadrant will grow and the others will suffer. If you will load yourself with work every day, after maximum 3 weeks, 1 month, you're gonna get tired and exhausted and you're gonna burn yourself out. When the stuff planned, then it's easy to execute and you need to think every day and hang around, fucking hell, what I'm gonna do today. All comes from boringness. And if you plan everything, you just need to put yourself in the position when you are so busy that you will not have time to think on which mood today you wake up, how I feel today. You will not have any time for that. This is how I lived my first 3 years in London. I had to plan everything, I had to work as fuck. I was spending on construction sites like 10, 12 hours and then 2 hours back and forth in the fucking tube every day. Private life only in the weekends. I was just working as a fucking slave. But it paid off. So key point in here, if you want to change your life, you need to change your habits by structuring the day, by starting your day from the gym, cold shower, and cold shower is amazing thing. You're gonna feel much better. Trust me, try it for the week and you will see the result. So you need to balance all your days like this and do it for at least 21 days, because after 21 days you will form the new habits and only what you need to do to keep going. And within the 3 weeks, you will see that you will be able to do like 5 times more than your average month. And only what you need to do then keep with all these good habits you will develop. Going to the gym, planning everything, healthy food, healthy life. When the 1 year will go, you will see how much you did in that year. Try at least for 3 weeks and please leave your comments how it worked for you or not. Subscribe to my channel because I will be releasing thousands of hours of useful information. Subscribe to my private Telegram channel, and if you have any questions, contact me there directly.